Every single negative thought you have about getting started in real estate is correct. You don't have access, you don't have resources, you don't have money, you don't have contracts, you don't have experience, you don't have a license, and that's probably why you'll never be successful. Or maybe we could show you exactly what you could do in 3.5 days if you had the right steps. In this episode today, you're gonna learn exactly what you, my friend, watching today, could accomplish in 3.5 days if you were following a zero to hero protocol. Jennifer Lindsay and I were not the only ones taking action during zero to hero. And the reason for this is because so many people watch me helping Maddie, the homeless lady from last year, and helping Jennifer Lindsay and saying, well, of course they can do it, Pace. They have direct access to you. So I did zero to hero a little bit different this time. What I did is we went to San Antonio, we rented a big building, and we invited private members of our community that were brand new to the business, had just joined SubTo, and we put them on teams. And what we had them do is have zero access to me, but what they did is they followed the exact steps that you should be following while watching the Jennifer Lindsay series, Zero to Hero style. Step by step, looking at exactly what these other people are doing. And in this episode today, episode 5, you're gonna meet Kimberly and Bill Fischer, my friends and leaders in the SubTo community. They're gonna highlight a couple of things for you. Number one, our community is built with leaders all over the country and all over the world. We are a global organization, 40 countries and all 50 states in the USA. Bill and Kimberly Fischer flew from Alaska to help out people in the Zero to Hero Challenge, doing exactly what you're gonna be doing on your couch. These people that are just getting started have no experience. What they do have is access to leadership. And for those of you guys that are wondering, how do I get access to them? What we'll do is I'll give you guys a couple of links at the end to some buyers and some people that might wanna work with you since you guys are not in the SubTo community. Now, I'm in the other room working with Jennifer. We're gonna get back to that in episode 6, 7, 8, and 9, so you guys can see more seller calls. You can see me actually go to these appointments and hopefully lock up some deals for Jennifer Lindsay. But in this episode, I really wanna highlight that people that don't have access to me are not having me make the calls, not having me do the contracts, not having me go on the appointments, are still locking up deals following the exact same steps that you should be following in this series. So as you watch a lot of my training and you might be in my Instagram DM saying, Pace, but where do I start? I'm gonna say, go back to episode 1 and get all the way to episode 5, which is today, and follow the steps that these new SubTo members are following, and look to join a team with somebody inside the SubTo community that has more experience than you that you can set appointments for. I hope that Bill and Kimberly can highlight something for you today, is that you can start with no experience and get a deal within 12, 24, or 36 hours and build massive momentum. Let's watch the story of what Bill and Kimberly Fischer can do with brand new people just like you in a matter of 3.5 days. Enjoy the video.
I'm Bill Fischer, I'm from Anchorage, Alaska.
I'm Kimberly Fischer, I'm also from Anchorage, Alaska.
I feel like Zero to Hero is the perfect opportunity to understand that anybody can do this. And when you watch what Pace is putting together and the program, he's bringing certain people in to show you that no matter what situation you're in, no matter what your past has been, no matter what physical issue you have, whatever the case it is, you can do this if you want to do this. And being able to be here has been really cool because at our tables, we've got an opportunity to work with people who are just getting in, people who have never made a phone call, people who have never had anything to do with real estate but just signed up.
Or people that have been in SubTo for 3 years and haven't made any progress. Yeah, that's been the coolest thing, is to see them go, now it makes sense. And the only difference from sitting in your living room and making the phone call or sitting here and making the phone call is here we're surrounded by other people that are doing it too. So it makes you feel like, okay, if you're gonna do it, then I'll do it too. That's the only difference. But if you're at home, you can watch these videos and go, you know what, they're doing it, I can do it too.
Or it gives you permission to do it. And that's the big thing.
Listening to Pace say, this is what I'm trying to do. I'm trying to show people that anybody can do it. We were like, okay, raise your hand if you're buying houses. And there were 4 of us that said, yeah, we're buying right now. And we said, let's find you houses. Let's go from 0 to finding the property that is what you're looking for. And every single person at the table, if they'd never made a phone call, we're like, okay, listen to Bill talk on the phone a couple of times, and then we're gonna hand you the phone, and you're gonna start making some phone calls. And when we were done at 4 o'clock, we were like, That's not enough. Let's go back to the Airbnb and let's make calls all night long.
At Zero to Hero this week, there was a moment where things did click for me for sure. It was the first night that we went back to Bill's house. He is the team leader on our team, and everybody just kept working. We got on the phones, everybody was having fun. Yeah, we just started having fun doing it, working together. And it kind of clicked to me that I need to lean on people more in the community, and that's the biggest thing that I'm getting out of all of this.
Your property is absolutely perfect for that, so I have, being a buyer, totally interested in it.
Hey Jesse, my name's Tim Burkhart. I was looking at the property you have in Constantinople Avenue, and it looks like it could be an ideal project for me and my partner. It looks like it's been on the market for quite a few days, and I'm just trying to understand a little bit about it.
Hello, Jonathan, Jason, and Bill here. How you doing, Jonathan? Good. Sorry it's so late. We had a bunch of people over for dinner here.
And there were people that never made a phone call, didn't know how to make a phone call. And it's cool because we're calling agents, so it's really not that big of a deal to call an agent. They're making money, they want you to call them. So they're gonna give you that grace to ask questions. But then we just, you sit there and you learn from each other. And then the systems that we're using. We got on Zillow and we created a Google sheet and we started making phone calls in the neighborhoods that we were buying, and so it was really cool. So I took videos of us all in different areas of the house so that you could actually talk to the person on the phone. And you got people surrounded a computer, and Luke is teaching somebody how to use Zillow and what to look for and what's the the important things that you want to avoid. And then you got March in the corner with Coco, who's never made a phone call in her life, terrified, and she's making her talk on the phone and in the kitchen.
Literally
Jason,
shaking, making phone calls.
And so that was our first night. Our second night, a couple more people started showing up, and then last night, has it been 3 nights?
Well, last night we actually had like 3 other teams that came
to
over to our house, uninvited.
Groceries. Like, hey, we're gonna.
They brought in their own food, and they're like, "Yeah, we heard you guys were going to be making calls and having a party tonight." We're like, okay, come on in. I'm sure we're going to get kicked out of the Airbnb, but come on in. Yeah, it was a lot of fun, and so many people just jumped in because they wanted to take action. And I think what it is most of the time here, especially for me in my first year in SubTo, I felt really stupid. I felt like I didn't know what questions to ask. I really wanted to reach out to people, but I didn't know who to reach out to. I didn't know who would be accepting. I didn't know who would have the time for me. And like this whole bird dogging and orbit thing, I think is amazing. You have people who have done the thing, they've fallen in the pitfalls, and they've found the success, but they're willing to pull people with them and teach them how to do it and bring them into their orbit. And of course, they're working together and benefiting each other, but they're willing to reach out and teach other people. And that's what I think is everything that's happening out here. Is there are so many people that are like, hey, let me show you what I've done wrong. Let me show you what I've done right. And let me teach you, and I will show you how to do this business. And that is the biggest thing for me, because I was always so scared of that. I didn't know the first year what to do, so I basically did nothing.
This is my new friend, Renee.
Hi, I'm Renee Quintana. I'm in Denver, Colorado.
Yep, and we actually came down here to be part of the Zero to Hero conference. And Renee has been in SubTo for how long?
3 years.
3 whole years she's been in SubTo. And this week, we made you make how many phone calls?
I don't even know how many phone calls I've been making.
We made a ton of phone calls.
Today's day 3, right?
Yes, so today's day 3.
I don't know. We've been up until 10 p.m., 11 p.m., just either making phone calls or kind of debriefing all of the deals that we have come across for the day. So our whole team has been working on doing that together with Kimberly and Bill as our leaders, and it's been really great.
It's been so great. And the big thing that I wanted to point out is, Renee, you've been in SubTo for 3 years. How many deals have you made?
I did 1 deal a while ago, just a SubTo deal, and now it's been like a dry spell for me, so I've been working on,
being able to come to this event and like just getting the practice in, the reps in of making the phone calls, do you feel like that's helping you?
Yes, and because I feel like in the last 3 years, I start doing something and I get stuck somewhere. And so what's been the best thing about being here is that I have you and Bill and the rest of the team who are those resources to be able to answer those questions. And get me over that next hump so that I can, hopefully the goal is to buy the co-living property that I want to buy, that we find as a group to be able to.
We actually found one, right?
We found
a property that we're thinking about doing together as a group.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we were just talking about that before we came on camera.
I text Pace and I told him, I said, now I understand the term community, because we had, like I said, we had newbies, we had owners club, we had gators, we had people that were coming in from everywhere, and everyone wanted to be a part of this collectively. And we just taught everybody, okay, this is what we do. And everybody was in. As a matter of fact, community, we are actually all gonna buy a deal together in Colorado Springs that we found through making phone calls last night. And we're all gonna be injecting capital, we're all gonna be learning how to do it, we're all gonna be learning how to run a co-living. And so it's really cool for everybody on our team, and probably one of the best uses of our time.
Absolutely. We have a girl that she would make the calls and then get to the point where she would understand what the deal was, but then she wouldn't do anything with it. And that's, for her, she's like, this is fantastic, because now I understand. She dialed in her buy box better, and she really likes the idea of, can you hold my hand? Can we do this together? Because this is my first leap. For me, our first deal, I just closed my eyes and I was like, don't tell me anything about it. I don't want to know anything, because I was too scared. I'm gonna lose sleep if you tell me anything. And yeah, and now it's like, well, honestly, it's just numbers. If you're gonna make a mistake, you're gonna figure it out, you're gonna pivot, you're gonna go a different direction, and it's gonna be okay. The worst thing that can happen is you make some mistakes and you learn from them. But the best thing that can happen is you change your legacy.
And other people's.
And other people's, yeah.
The term single family home means one single family that lives there, and they have to be family. I called Maricopa County, and Maricopa County told me that as long as you have less than 6 people living there, then you don't have to file for any special permits. But this is a good thing, because depending on your neighborhood or your county, it may have different rules. So you want to find that information out. So that's why zoning is important. Okay, and then the next thing is
universities, colleges.
Yeah.
Well, I definitely recommend jumping into SubTo, but first thing I always say is, what's your why? Let's establish your why. What is this money going to do for you? Then once we establish that, we figure out how much money do you need every month. Then I look at, okay, if that's how much you need every month, and the inflation rate is 5% and so on and so forth, we can do the math and we can figure out exactly how much money you need until you die. When then from there, we can go backwards, and then we can figure out which strategy that you want to do based on the amount of money that you're looking for. Then we can build your buy box. Then from there, you get into it and you start learning.
Margin of a good deal, it could be a small multifamily with space to build like an ADU, or it could just be a place that needs to be gutted and remodeled. And exit doesn't necessarily matter, but so like I guess maybe I just need a couple buy boxes maybe.
I would say, for right now, for this buy box, pick one thing and focus on it.
But I think one of the smartest things that you can possibly do in this business is get around somebody who is established, somebody who's done the thing, somebody who can show you and hold your hand and bring you in, because it is very scary when you walk in. Like I said, my first year I did nothing. I did absolutely nothing because I didn't want to screw up. I mean, we only had so much money, and if I lost that money, we could lose everything. And so I just did nothing. And then I got into the rooms. We got into the training. I got around other people. I realized I wasn't the only one. I realized I wasn't the only scared one. And then we started to congregate around other people who were doing the things, and it started to rub off. And that's where the vibe comes in, because you start to vibrate differently when you're around those people who are doing the thing. And I think Pace says it a lot. You're the sum of the 5 people that you hang around with. And it's so true, because if you surround yourself with 5 people who are doing nothing, guess what? Do the math. You're going to be doing nothing.
So being here, being part of a team, it's been game changing. I've tried to do a lot of things on my own. And being part of a team, it helps me, one, understand the process a little bit more, and it allows me to focus and really hone in on one aspect of a team. And it's just showing me how productive we can be. We're locking up. We've got a few potential properties we're gonna lock up But that's not something I would have done on my own. So being part of that team, having everyone have their set jobs, it's really opened my eyes to I need to collaborate with more people and partner with more people to get stuff done. I can't be a lone wolf.
And you know what, honestly, you don't have to be on the phone with that person every day. You can watch their Zooms, you can follow the things that they follow, you can be part of Pace's community by watching his YouTube videos. There are people that are crushing it, that are just watching his videos, but it's what are you filling yourself with? Are you scrolling all day long? Are you watching Netflix and stuck on, watching every episode of, I don't know, The Office again for the 13th time in a row? Or are you taking that time to do action and moving steps forward? Bill is great about saying, where are you pointing your boat? Let's point the boat. That plan can change, but let's at least have a plan. Let's point the boat, let's go that direction. And I'm like, let's just take a step every day, something where you're moving forward. You don't have to have perfect, you just have to have action. Move. I am super grateful to be part of this community. I think there is so much value. I think that lives are being changed, and it's not like you're gonna see people becoming overnight billionaires. We are literally learning skills and making friends and building legacies that are going to last a lifetime. And if that's something that you strive for, something that you wanna be a part of, this is where you belong, because I am so grateful to be here, and we want you.
Most people want a life change. Most people want something different, and most people want to just go in a different direction. And you might be in a certain specific situation in your life right now, but it doesn't mean you have to stay there. In order to get away from that, you're gonna have to make a change in your life. You're gonna have to make a decision, you're gonna have to step up, and you're gonna have to take action. And I gotta tell you, the best action I've ever taken, other than this woman here, is joining SubTo. It's changed my life. It's changed the way that I've thought about community. It's changed the way that I've built relationships. I found missing pieces to the puzzle of my life in this community, and probably met some of the best friends that I'm ever gonna have. And the benefit of that is I'm creating a living, I'm creating a financial freedom, and even better than that, I'm helping other people create it.
At this point, you should have no more excuses of why you can't follow these steps. However, I do agree with you when you say, but Pace, I'm not in the private SubTo community. I don't have exclusive access, and I'm not invited to these cool events like Zero to Hero where I can be around leaders like Bill and Kimberly Fischer. I agree with you. However, this is why we built free resources for the people that need free resources. We have a free Facebook group called Creative Finance with Pace Morby, where we do a 4-day training every single month in that free Facebook group. That's me live presenting and teaching every single month for the last 6 years for free. In that Facebook group, you'll be able to find some leaders in the SubTo community. And for those of you guys that want to join the SubTo community, we always have a link down below to explore what that actually looks like. But look, if you want even more granular detail, as you can see, our editing team had to pull things out of all these videos to shorten this down to a YouTube video. We're writing a book called Zero to Hero. And in this book, not only will you get the framework in this book, but you will also get the unedited, unfiltered videos behind the scenes, all the clips, every single call, all of the things that happen, not only in the Maddie content from last year, that homeless lady we took from homeless to homeowner, but also Jennifer Lindsay and how we're helping this lady with multiple sclerosis get 2 or 3 deals in a matter of 3.5 days. In this book, frame by frame, chapter by chapter, you will get video companion guides that give you all the video content so you miss nothing. Every single word, every single conversation, every single contract, all of those types of things, you can get access to that by going to pacesnextbook.com. And don't forget, the next 4 characters that we're choosing for this series will be from the people who pre-order the book. So if you want to be the next Maddie, the next Jennifer, go to pacesnextbook.com so that we can randomly select you to be one of the next 4 people that will be highlighted, where I move out to your town and I help you go from zero to hero. If you've enjoyed this video, just wait until we get to episode number 6, my friends. We're gonna get back into the conversation with Jennifer. You're gonna see the next steps and the next conversations, the next appointments, the contracts that are going out, hopefully. And in the meantime, please leave a comment down below and tell us what you enjoyed about this video so we can improve for episode 6, 7, 8, and 9. Thank you guys for tuning in, and don't forget to go to pacesnextbook.com, pre-order that so that you can be one of those next 4 people we select for our series.